Who's that? Funko Pop. Hi, and welcome to the corner. And today we got Leatherhead from Ninja Turtles. That's right. It's Leatherhead. If any of you guys thought it was Pikachu, you're wrong. Oh, your mom. Totally wrong. It's Leatherhead. Specialty series. Specialty series. Ooh. 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 Smells like candy. Well, here we are. Leatherhead. Got little lobsters on his pants. That's where I keep my money. His hat. He's like, cranky. Cranky, look at the alligator I am. Mate. Do the shrimp on the barbie. He's actually kind of heavy. His tail. But yeah, nice, pretty cool. Amazon, $20. I just need is Baxter's Dogman. Flyman. Whoa. But yeah, that's a peace. Later. Subscribe, like, dislike, leave a comment, bad comment, I don't care, share with your friends, show how cringy I am, I do not care.